What's best? We're back with another video, and we're going to be opening some football packs. But first, I want to get the binder set up, so I'm just gonna open it down here. Let's see here. Okay, just like that. Okay, just got scissors right here. Can I rip it up now? Okay, there we go. You know, I probably could have done this before the video, but I just kind of wish I had a better setup than just my phone. This is kind of heavy. Oh, it's caught on like the little thingy up there. Okay, if I can. Oh, I don't think those are secured onto the thing. Maybe, I don't know. Take the plastic wrap off. There. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna swap hands and get this off here. So it's taped. It hold 900 cards, which is very nice. So that is what it looks like with the package off. And then you open it. It's like a weird paper thing. So is it like, yeah, okay. So these are in a like giant pack thing. Okay. How do you get this open? Is you can actually personally open that up and then take it out. Oh, okay. Found how to get it. It's like lip right here. And then all the way down. Hopefully not sealing it as you resealing it. Now it is time for me to attempt to get these on all in one go. That is a fat amount of... Okay. So I'm gonna throw the packaging away. Now, I don't know how I'm going to get this. I'll just pause the video here and put it on without the recording. Okay. Just finished putting them on. Halfway through, I realized I was putting them on upside down, so I got that fixed. 900 cards. So got a Pokemon. The blue one I think is Pokemon. The black one is sports or football. I think I'm gonna make this offense, and then the black one down there defense. I don't exactly know. But yeah, that's it for the binder so far, or for now. So I wonder if using the binder as a stand would almost be a good idea. If I can get something there to hold it. So like, that's not working. Like I don't want it to, it's not working at all. So like, It is slowly falling. Okay, so what if I take the rod off, put that there? Is that gonna hold? please. Okay, so I think that's holding. Maybe. Okay, I think we're good. But you can't really see that really well though. So, nope. If I zoom it out, okay, that's better. But then you're getting that bottom piece there. So, if I move the sheet, no, okay. Like then that's gonna fall. So what if I twist and then go like that and then like that? Maybe would that work? No. So I don't know. Maybe like that. Might. I don't know. I can try, but like everything's falling. Don't like it. Holding, I think. If I go like that, that's too close. I mean, I guess that's fine. I can work with this, maybe. Actually, I'm gonna do what I did for the Pokemon video that is on my main channel. I'm gonna put the binder down here and use my candle with the Widow Froggy on it. At least that's what I did. So if I go 1, how do I do this without getting the candle? So if I go that, it gets the candle. If I go like that, it doesn't. Okay. So, you can see it now. Nice. Okay, lovely. But yeah, this is the football card box. Is it gonna slip off? No. Okay. Good. Good. I don't know how I would open it. Okay, so it has that. Look for Blaster exclusive mosaic orange fluorescent parallels, maybe? I wonder if the scissors will be able to just go across like that. I don't exactly know if that... Oh, it did. That worked, like, perfectly, too. Okay. Nice. Kind of carved into the box a little bit, but I don't really care for the box as much as I do the cards. Okay. Open it from here. Alright, so got like a little package there. So go into here. Oops. I'll fix that once I get the packs. Okay, box is empty. Can't tell if they put too much air in this or in that one or what. So it would be right there. That would be like there. So we have 1, 2, 3, 6 packs. Fix. No. Nope. There that goes. Fix. I don't know. That I want to get that out. Okay. So I'm shaking it. I'm gonna zoom in just so it's... So can I go like that still? Yes, alright. Just so phone don't fall mid-video. Should be fine. Yeah, this is actually first time ever opening football cards. My football cards that I got before were from Colby, and most of them were his duplicates. So I'm going to get that open. Get this open here. Okay. So, I guess we could go like this. Like the back with the stats is kind of like the Pokemon back, but it kind of just tells you. So, but it doesn't reveal the art. So I'm happy about that. So we got Derrick Henry, Baltimore Derrick Henry. Derrick Henry is a Raven. Ooh. Touchdown Masters. That's cool. Alright. I like that card. We have Edgerrin Cooper of the Green Bay Packers. Okay. Just a normal card, alright. Pretty cool, pretty cool. So it looks like there's a touchdown. There's like certain things. Oh, that card's bent. Okay. Card's kind of bent. Next up we have AJ Brown on the Eagles. Whoa, dude, this is sick. This is a sick card. National Pride card. Yeah, the other one just had, oh, that was a rookie card. The other one was a rookie card. Okay, dude, that's cool. I like that. American flag. Yeah, these are banned. Holy crap. Looks like we got Jaden Hyatt of the New York Giants. Looks like a normal card. There's a rookie card symbol up top. I don't know if that, I don't know. Ooh, we got Patrick Mahomes II of the Kansas City Chiefs. Okay. Ooh, that's a clean card. So it looks like there's rookie cards, and then there's normal cards, Merit National Pride, and Touchdown Master. That's what I've gotten so far. This is another normal card. Patrick Mahomes II. Really, I like the shininess of these cards. So I'm going to put that with Jalen Hyatt, put it on top of him. Then we got Curtis Samuel of the Bills. Another normal card, okay. Nothing really special. Next up, another, same pack. I don't know why I need to say next up, but like there's some like QR codes and stuff like that. 6 cards per pack. Yeah, okay, that checks out. That checks out. That back one felt like it had less cards in it. They're putting the cards in here upside down. That's weird. Ooh, Austin Eckler of the Washington Commanders. Another Commanders card after that. Whoa. Whoa, it's not like it's not a special card. What? That is like a holographic normal. That's cool. It's like fish scales. And it's green, that is silver. Okay. Now these are bent. Jaden Daniels, Washington Commanders. Ooh. Rookie card. Okay. Yeah, rookie card. So there's rookie cards as well. Got an oldie, dude. Earl Campbell, Hall of Fame of the Houston Oilers. Oh, so there's Hall of Fame cards. Okay. That's cool. I like that. Yeah. We got Dwight Freeney of the Colts. I think that's an old card. It's an old player. Maybe. I haven't seen him. The helmet makes it look old. Yeah, Dwight Freeney, Indianapolis Colts. I'm going to say, yeah, it looks like a normal card to me. Devonta Smith of the Philadelphia Eagles. Another normal card. Okay. Do like how it has like maybe a picture of them. So that's cool. Got a bunch of normal cards. And then Josh Palmer of the LA Chargers. Another normal card. Okay. Pretty cool. I think we have, what? 1, 2, 6. So we practically, so far, have a pack of normal cards and a pack of special, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So like kind of a pack of normal cards, pack of special cards if you're, because we got 4 specials and 2 rookie cards so far, and then 6 normals. Ooh, don't have a different background. Zay Flowers of the Ravens. What is? Oh, the next. What the heck? Oh, dude, that's sick. Zay Flowers notoriety, Baltimore Ravens. Yeah, that's cool. Actually, that's a really cool card. I'm gonna kind of move stuff out of the way so I can get like, cause I'm kind of stacking up similar kinds of cards here. Yeah, notoriety. That's a sick card. I'm gonna move some cards over real quick. Yeah, all these are kind of bent. Like, look how bent that is. This is like straight out of the pack too. So I don't know. That's like twisted as well. Yeah, I don't know. Got like a sideways card, okay. Jalen Wright of the Dolphins. Oh, an NFL debut rookie card. So it looks like there's rookie cards. And then NFL debut rookie cards, because the other rookie cards don't have the NFL debut. So okay, so maybe like a different kind of card. See, yeah, bent again, bent. Yeah, these are like kind of corkscrewed. Ooh, he looks old, like an older player. Andre Johnson of the Houston Texans at 2012. Yeah, I don't know. Plus, it doesn't say the positions on these cards. He's definitely old. That blue's old. Yeah, Andre Johnson, Houston Texans. I don't know if it says. Yeah, it does not say position, so that's gonna make it 10 times harder. To put these cards away. Raheem Mostert, I know he's a running back. He's on the Dolphins in this one. It does not say. Yeah, it does not say their position. I know Raheem Mostert, I think, is a running back from what I remember. Normal card again. DJ Moore, I know he's for sure a receiver. He's on this card is when he's on the Bears. I think he's on the Falcons now. Another normal card, okay. Nothing really special. Jaden Reed. Of the Packers. Another normal card. Okay. Nice. Yeah, all those are really, really bent. I don't know if it's because, like, the way they're shipped or handled or something like that. Yeah, see? Oh, these are bent, dude. Okay. Byron Murphy II of the Seattle Seahawks. Ooh, another one of those cards. I really like these cards. These are sick. Like, kind of like prismatic almost. Yeah. I really like these cards. This is the second one so far. And the first time getting any cards from this company, too. Ooh, Christian Watson. Looks like it's going to be a different card. Another? Yo. That's a sick card. Yeah, I don't know if that'd be a different. I'm going to count that as a different one. What does that say? Elevate, so it looks like it's like an Elevate Prismatic card. So I'm going to say that's a different card than the other prismatics. So it's pretty cool. Looks like maybe a normal Trey Benson. Yeah. Oh, rookie card of Trey Benson. Okay. Maybe normal Lee Evans. This is definitely an older guy, retired for sure. Has to be. That's like an old Bills uniform. So normal card there. Brandon Ayuk of the Niners. Normal card. Okay. Josh Downs of the Colts. Another normal card. There's a lot of normal cards. So far, haven't gotten any duplicates, which is nice. On to what? The 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth pack. So there's 6 packs, 6 cards per pack. So about 36 cards per box. Ooh, on all green. Oh, a Super Bowl card. Kid Reporter Super Bowl card. It's the most recent Super Bowl. Oh, wait, what? Win 2 tickets to Super. Oh, Super Bowl's already over, and your child could be the next Penemy Super Bowl kid reporter at Super Bowl LAX opening night. Yeah, that These are 2024. Looks like we got another maybe notoriety or touchdown masters for Cooper Kupp here, but this is garbage. These are from 2024. So I don't know. I might keep it. If I get another one, I'll probably just toss out one. But I guess I'll keep it. Say I got it. But yeah, Cooper Kupp. Okay. Marvin Mims is upside down, but Cooper Kupp. Oh, notoriety. Okay. But it's not like a prismatic notoriety. It's like a normal notoriety here of Cooper Kupp, because the Zay Flowers is like a prismatic one. Prismatic notoriety, so I'm gonna make that a separate one. And I just noticed that is a rookie card. So there's prismatic ones look to be like rare. So there's normal and like, so is there like a normal elevate card then? So we got Marvin Mims of the Browns. I don't know what this one would be. It looks like a different kind of card. It's a prismatic, but a normal. It's not green like the other ones. So yeah, these cards are really nice, thick, good material, but they're all bent. I'm gonna make that a different pile. Cade Stover of the Texans. Normal rookie card. Okay. Got another sideways card for Jatavion Sanders. NFL debut, rookie card. Okay. It's going to go with the other one. Ahmad Sauce Gardner. Okay. Normal card. Max Crosby of the Raiders. Normal card. Okay, on to the last pack. Now this one feels like it's full of air. It might be down like a card or two. One. No, there's 6 cards. Okay. Yeah, 6 cards. Oh. Almost messed it up. Oh, Daniel Hunter, but he's of the Texans, but he's has a Vikings uniform on. Ooh. Man. Sucks we lost him. He was so good. But normal, like a green prismatic. So we got 2 of those. 3 of those if you want to count the rookie one. Ooh, Christian McCaffrey for the 49ers. National Pride. I really like these cards. These cards are sick. Yeah, nice. 2 Daniil Hunters. One of them's Now he's in a Texans uniform, and it's in a national pride, dude. That's sick. Yeah. Ooh, Kobe Turner of the LA Rams normal card. Kobe just walked in. That's why I paused the video. He said these cards are sick. So, if that doesn't, he has so many cards, and he said all these are sick. And if that doesn't tell you something, I don't know what will. But Kyle Pitts of the Falcons. Is this rookie card or normal? Normal, okay. And then last but not least, Jerry Jeudy of the Browns in a Broncos uniform. Normal card. Okay. So, how many packs of worth of... Okay, normal cards. So we got Jerry Jeudy, normal. Kyle Pitts, normal. Kobe Turner, normal. Max Crosby, normal. That's 4. Sauce Gardner, normal 5. Josh Downs, normal 6. So that's 1 pack. Brandon Ayuk, normal. Lee Evans, normal. Jaden Reed, normal. DJ Moore, normal. Raheem Mostert, normal. I think that makes number 5. Andre Johnson, normal. That's pack 2 so far. 2 packs. Josh Palmer, normal. Devonta Smith, normal. Dwight Freeney, normal. Curtis Samuel, normal. 4. Patrick Mahomes, normal. Jalen Hyatt, normal. So half of the pack, half the cards in this box, in the booster box, were normal cards. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, yeah, 4 normal rookie cards. Cade Stover, Trey Benson, Jaden Daniels, and Adrian Cooper. And then we got 1 touchdown Masters. If I'm being honest, I think I opened them up backwards. I think you're supposed to open up from the other side, which would make sense why I got all the hits first. That actually make a lot of sense. Yeah, 1 touchdown Masters. We got the Super Bowl Kid Reporter card. I'm gonna keep that just because. Why not? 3 National Pride cards, from what I feel. Danielle Hunter, CMC, and AJ Brown. 2 green prismatic cards. Danielle Hunter in a Vikings uniform on the Texans, as a Texan, and Austin Eckler of the Washington Commanders. We have a normal prismatic of Marvin Mims. All the garbage just fell on my feet that I've just put in the garbage. And then we got 1 green prismatic rookie card here. I'm going to put that under the other green prismatics. We have 2 NFL debut rookie cards that are kind of sideways. Javonte Sanders and Jaden Wright. The green prismatic rookie card is Byron Murphy II. Really? Okay, so next up we have a notoriety card. Cooper Kupp. These cards, I like this card. It's like a wanted poster almost from the Wild West. And then we got a prismatic notoriety card for Zay Flowers, also really cool. A green prismatic Elevate card for Christian Watson. And a Hall of Fame card for Earl Campbell. What sucks is it doesn't say what... It says what teams... It doesn't say what positions they play. So, yeah, that sucks. Honestly, favorite card that I see is probably this Zay Flowers Prismatic Notoriety card. I really like it. Really cool. Or the National Pride Danielle Hunter one. I like the National Pride ones. Those are sick. But yeah, give me a sec. I am going to do some research of the people. I don't know what position they play. And then I'm going to slowly put them into the binders when I'm done looking this stuff up. So I'm gonna pause it now and look those positions up. Okay, I just had Colby come in here and do the research for me because he is a football nerd. So I'm gonna be taking out all the offensive cards from this binder. Once I sleeve the defensive cards, and I think I'm just gonna add on. So that's tight end, that's receiver here. Looks like we got some defensive tackles. So, defensive tackle. Only got one defensive tackle, or from what Colby remembered. So, put him in here. I like the other cards a little bit more. I don't really feel like, unless it's for the offensive cards, I don't feel like changing them. So next up we got defensive ends, and we got quite a few of those. So I'm going to put Max Crosby above Kobe Turner. These cards are gonna on top, so it'll be him, and then him, and then him. What do you want? Yes. Okay, so Colby just came in here. I was sleeving 2 cards. I only sleeved Kobe Turner and Max Crosby. So, put Danielle Hunter, National Pride here. I think I'm just gonna put the Danielle Hunters next to each other. So we got a full page of defensive ends now. Right there. New cards kind of stand out against the rest. So next we have cornerbacks, linebackers, and safeties. No. Wait, oh, these are linebackers right here. Okay. Turns out I do have some linebackers. So Colby gave me a Edgerrin Cooper card, so Dulce Edgerrin Coopers. I like the candy cane looking one more. Okay, I need confirmation about Sauce Gardner. I thought he was a cornerback, and it turns out he is a cornerback. So, yeah. Duh, he's right there. Right there. So, those are also cornerbacks. That guy's ripped. I'm gonna just, since it's 2 cards, I'm going to move these over. For the other ones, I could have done it, but I didn't feel like doing that now. So, like, currently. I might do it a little bit later, but just for those 2, since one of them's kind of ripped up. All these are bent, which sucks, but so that's that, and then safety's there. So what I'm thinking of doing, right, is with the offense, I have a lot of receivers. So I'm thinking of just taking all of the cards here out. You can't really tell what I'm doing. Move this one more time. Maybe this will be better. Instead of me holding it, putting it down. I mean, I guess it's somewhat better. Can I put, like... I put my remote? Okay, is that good? Actually, that's actually really good. Okay. I'm just scared of it falling, so there. That sucks to do because I'm gonna have to put these back in, but now I have a defense binder, and I'm gonna put these sleeves back just because they're different sleeves than the other ones. And I'm only gonna put them back once I get every single card out. So now we have some offense. We have my offense binder, which is the binder that I was setting up. Yeah, so quarterbacks. Got a few of those. I don't know how to decide. So I think we're gonna keep the top 5 there. Or the top 5 how they are now. So JP Lozman. No idea who he is, but he's a Bill and I like the card. So yeah. He's gonna go there. Tommy Kramer, no idea who he is. He's a quarterback for the Vikings though, and it's a kind of like a cool card there. I don't know, because I can't see the camera that good. Or actually, I can't see what the camera's picking up at all. So is it getting me putting those in? Not really. Is that better? I feel like it needs to go down more, maybe. See, that looks like almost too far down. Yeah, I'm gonna put that under this. And is that appears to be better, possibly. I'm trying to just maybe twist the candle instead of trying to twist the phone. I'm gonna move this up as well. It could just move the candle back further. That looks good. At least it looks good to me. Put that here. We got a Nick Starkel artistry card. If I can get that. And that's perfect there. So then we got a Hall of Fame Peyton Manning and a Hall of Fame Brett Favre. And then I think now we are going to be adding those new cards. Yeah, I think they look better than the other ones. Jaden Daniels here, rookie card for Jaden Daniels. Come on, there we go. And then Patrick Mahomes II, and then Matt Ryan with like the first down like chains, I guess is what you'd call them. And then I think we're gonna change something up. We're gonna go Cody Kessler instead of Tommy DeVito. That's one page filled out. And then we're gonna go to Tommy DeVito here. So, hoping this isn't too long of a video. Oh, it's only about 40 minutes so far. That's one sleeve page done. Gonna be too soon because the next one only has one card. So we're gonna probably put that right there. And then we got Deshaun Watson. Now, like the card is cool. I just don't like Deshaun Watson. As a human being. As a player, he's good, but you know, what you do off the field kind of ruins your reputation sometimes. So that is it for quarterbacks. Now we are, okay, the third one for some reason. I think I missed one. So next up, we got a huddle up card. These are always sick. I only have one though, which sucks. I know there's also sack attack cards. I don't think I have one of those. But there. And then that's another one down, and we got O lineman. Jason Kelce, which is retired now. It's funny, he retires, and then they make and win the Super Bowl. So, yeah. And we got Quentin Nelson. He might be retired. I don't exactly remember, but I think he's still in the league. That's all linemen. Okay, we got one singular fullback, which I have running backs, receivers, and tight ends left. Yeah, let's just go fullback. They're kind of more of like an O lineman than a running back, I guess. So there, fullback done. I'm going to get these out of the way, put them right there into the closet. Now we are on to running backs. Normal rookie card. NFL debut. Put that like that. Hall of Fame. Normal. Green prismatic. National Pride. Touchdown Masters, and then another normal. There wasn't really many special. Oh, I only have one page of running backs. Oh no, I have two. Okay. So we're gonna start with artistry. Pierre Strong. Then we're gonna go the green prismatic, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna go green prismatic here. And then National Pride. Here. And then we are gonna go next level. If I can get it out of the sleeve. Here. Of Muhammad Ibrahim. And then we're gonna go probably the NFL debut. And then Hall of Fame. And then DeAndre Washington here. Here. And then Beanie Wells right here. And then LeGarrette Blount next to that. That's one page of running backs. I got 4 new cards on there. If we can get to the next page. I like all the newer cards I have more. Lee Evans up next. And then Raheem Mostert. And then Trey Benson. Okay, about 45 minutes on the video. Okay. I'm gonna go Thomas Rawls, Lorenzo Taliaferro, and then Paul Perkins. And then, what, we got those left. Okay, so Devin Singletary. So we got 2 full pages of running backs now. Tony Pollard, which, no, shit. I completely forgot about Derrick Henry. Fart nuggets. So, take him out. We're just gonna move all these guys down one. I completely forgot about Derrick Henry. It's on me. Completely. Actually, we're gonna put Earl Campbell there. Move this guy here. Next level there. I like it more than these two, but not more than Pierre Strong. So that's gonna go if I can get it in there. There. And then Derrick Henry touchdown masters is gonna go there. There we go. Oh, he went right here. Okay. So now I'm gonna move all these guys down one. So we have 2 full pages, 3 pages of running backs. And then that guy goes down one. And there. And then LeGarrette Blount. Right there. And then, finally, done with the running backs after this guy. If I can get him out of the sleeve. There. We have Rising Stars, Blake Corum. It's kind of hard to read when I'm moving. Yeah, Blake Corum. Okay. So, that's it for running backs. I'm trying to... Okay, this is a long video. Alright. We have, like 1 1/3 pages for tight ends, and we got even more. If I can get it down. Okay, we got 3 tight ends. Okay, so we have an NFL debut card. Okay, so we have him, and him. Okay, those are better than those. So I think these first 5 are gonna be the same. We can get it in there. Tyler Conklin, Jeremy Ruckert, Julius Thomas here. Lewis, Jack Doyle, and then we're gonna go NFL debut here. Kyle Pitts here, And then Cade Stover here. Gonna put Gesicki here. And that's one page of tight ends. I'm going to put, Charlie Kohler here. What's the Bulls? Austin Hooper. Boom, another page done. Two left for tight ends. Mark Andrews and Dawson Knox. Done with tight ends. What do we have for lengthwise of the video? Ooh, 51 minutes, and we got a bunch of receivers left. Two pages of receivers sleeved already. Probably like 2 more pages worth. So I'm going to cut the video here. Still got a bunch of cards to sleeve, but it's getting close to an hour long. I don't want to make it an hour long. So yeah. I'm going to sleeve those on my own time. Stop taking up your time. And that's going to be it for this one, and I will see you in the next one.